In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a server in your WP engine and guide you through the entire process step by step. So let's dive in and get you started with hosting your very own server seamlessly. First, you'll want to log into your WP engine dashboard, open up your web browser and navigate to mypengine.com. Enter your login credentials, and once you're inside, you'll have access to all the tools WP Engine offers. The dashboard is your main hub for managing your account, and from here, you can control your entire site. To begin the process, look for the option that says Add Site and select it. This takes you to another prompt where you'll see the button Create Environment. You'll want to click on that. This is where the journey of establishing your server environment truly begins. Next up is deciding on the environment type you wish to create. WP Engine provides three options: production, staging, or development. Each environment serves different purposes. Production is for your live website where you want everything to be perfect for your viewers. Staging is more of a sandbox environment where you can test changes without affecting your live site. Development is, as the name implies, where you and your team can work on building features or content. Choose the one that best fits your needs, keeping in mind your current goals and future scalability. Once you've settled on the environment type, it's time to name your site. Enter a name that reflects your server's purpose well in the site name field. After that, click Create Environment. This may take a little time as WP Engine spins up your server. It's automating the whole setup, ensuring that the environment is optimized and ready for you to start working. You might see that the screen is still processing. While it's doing that, remember, WP Engine is handling everything from the server configuration to the backend setup. It's a good moment to take a breather. Once it's all set up, you're going to see your environment come to life in the dashboard. After the setup, navigate to your site name. Here you'll find the SFTP and database credentials under the Environment menu, and then SFTP users. This section is vital. These credentials allow you to upload files to your server if necessary, giving you control over the content and data you wish to host. Keep these details safe as they are essential for accessing your server and managing your site, and that's all it takes to host a server in your WP engine. Throughout this process, you've seen just how user-friendly and intuitive WP Engine's platform can be, making it possible